Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use volume on TradingView. Volume is a fundamental indicator that measures the number of shares or contracts traded within a specific time period. It provides crucial insights into market interest and the underlying strength of price movements. High volume often confirms a trend, while low volume can signal a lack of conviction or potential reversal. Adding the volume indicator to your TradingView chart is simple. First, open your chart and locate the Indicators button at the top. In the search bar, type volume and select the standard volume indicator. It will appear at the bottom of your chart. You can then customize its appearance, like changing colors for up and down volume bars through the settings gear icon. Interpreting volume signals effectively can enhance your trading decisions. When price rises on increasing volume, it often confirms strong bullish momentum. Conversely, if price moves up or down on decreasing volume, it may indicate a lack of conviction and a potential trend reversal. High volume at key support or resistance levels can also confirm their significance, showing strong buying or selling interest. Beyond the basic volume indicator, TradingView offers advanced tools like Volume Profile. This shows trading activity across different price levels, highlighting areas of high liquidity. The anchored volume profile allows you to analyze volume within a custom range, providing insights into specific market events. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Mastering these tools can significantly improve your market analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.